Hello everyone and welcome back to your creative space. Today we are diving into something truly special. How can recycle your everyday bottles and mason jars into unique stylish with JuteCraft and eco-friendly crafts. We all have glasses bottles, plastic bottles or mason jars lying around at home. Instead of throwing them away, why not turn them into beautiful decoration, useful organizers, and even little pieces of art. Not only does it help reduce waste, but it also adds a personal handmade touch to your home. So grab a bottle or a mason jar, sit back, and let's get inspired together. Before we start, let's talk about why bottles and mason jars craft are also amazing. Every single day, millions of bottles and jars are discarded worldwide. Plastic bottles take hundreds of years. Plastic bottles takes hundreds of years to decompose, and glass, while recyclable, often ends up in landfill too. By using bottles and jars, we give them a second life. Each craft project you create is one less piece of waste, harming the planet. And the best part, you don't need expensive tools. Just creativity, a little time, or a few everyday supplies. Recycling is not just about saving the earth, it's about creating beauty from simplicity. Take any glass bottle, peel off the label, and paint it with acrylic or spray paint. You can go for pastel colors for a boho vibe, metallic for a modern look, or even wrap it with jute rope for a rustic farmhouse touch. Mason jars are perfect for lighting crafts and add a tea light candle or drop in some fairy lights. And instantly you have got a warm glowing lantern. Hang them with jute rope in your garden. Line them up on shelves or use them as festive table decor. One of the most practical uses for mason jar is storage. Paint the lids, label them creativity, and store spices, dry fruits, sewing items, or even coin. They are eco-friendly, reusable, and they make your shelves look super organized. Plastic bottles can be perfect mini planters. Cut them in half, poke small holes for drainage, and hang them with a string or macrame cords. Mason jars also work beautifully for herbs. Just add soil and seed, and you have a mini decor garden. Got empty wine or soda bottles, inside a string of fairy lights inside. Instantly you have got a magical night lamp. Place them on your balcony, bedroom corner, or living room. Mason jars make wonderful DIY decor places. Paint them in chalk paint for a vintage farmhouse look, or try glitter paint for festive occasion. Add some fresh flowers and they become charming centerpiece. A very trendy idea is turning mason jars into soap dispensers. Just attach a pump lid filled with liquid soap and you have a rustic yet modern bathroom accessory. It's stylish and eco-friendly. So friend, next time you're about to throw away the bottles or mason jars, pause for a second and imagine what would I could become. A glowing lantern, a rustic flower vase, a jute bottle, a soap dispenser, a mini herb garden. Every recycled craft is not just a perfect, it's a story of creativity, sustainability, and care for the earth. Remember, small steps make a big difference. By recycling bottles and mason jars, you are helping the planet or making your home and more beautiful at the same time. And who knows, if you enjoy